Feeling overwhelmed by today's mortgage rates? You're not alone. Many potential homeowners are advised to wait for rates to drop, but what if you need a home now? Hi, I'm Natalie, and let's explore a strategy that can help you secure a home without waiting for the market to change. Use seller-paid temporary rate buydown. This strategy involves the seller covering part of your mortgage interest for the first few years. It can significantly reduce your monthly payments, sometimes by $500 or more. The benefits of a temporary rate buydown are immense, especially for first-time homebuyers. It offers breathing room, allowing you to manage your finances better while waiting for rates to stabilize. How are buyers using this strategy to build equity now? By securing a home at today's prices, they start building equity immediately. When rates drop, refinancing becomes an option, further enhancing their financial position. Your future income growth can make this strategy even more viable. As your earnings increase, managing mortgage payments becomes easier, allowing you to focus on other financial goals. Don't let high rates deter your homeownership dreams. By using a seller-paid temporary rate buydown, you can secure a home now and refinance later when rates drop. Contact us for real estate and mortgage hacks. Our team offers personalized guidance to navigate homeownership. Call 408-888-3855 to make your dream home a reality.